By 2025, AI was already capable of writing, summarizing, and generating content. Fast forward to 2026, and it evolves into something entirely different: systems that think, plan, remember, and operate on their own. Everything from smart glasses to factory robots to AI-enabled PCs is transforming from simple assistance tools into autonomous machines that complete tasks without you telling them how. This is the moment where AI stops taking instructions and starts taking initiative. And today, you're about to see 8 powerful, research-backed reasons why AI in 2026 will be unlike anything we've ever experienced. Before we dive in, here's something important. If you want to capitalize on this AI wave and build a business around it, YouTube is one of the most profitable ways to do it, especially with faceless channels. And that's why I recommend Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. This program breaks down step by step how ordinary people build viral faceless channels, automate the content, and turn it into passive income. If you're serious about building wealth in this AI era, the link is below. Now, let's get into the future. First up, agentic AI becomes real. The year 2026 marks the rise of AI agents, systems that don't just follow instructions, they complete entire processes. You won't be typing, "Write an email" or "Find me 20 leads." Instead, you'll simply say, "Grow my client list," and AI will handle everything from research to outreach to scheduling meetings. Google and OpenAI have already demonstrated agents that can collect data, compare information, write reports, send messages, and update documents without supervision. Startups building AI-powered workflow automation are signing real contracts with hospitals, law firms, logistics companies, and enterprises. And domain-specific models are stepping in as specialized digital workers. Healthcare AI writes medical documentation. Legal AI drafts and reviews agreements. Financial AI monitors fraud and manages compliance risks. AI that acts directly on software is no longer a tool, it's digital labor. Second, privacy-centric and sovereign AI takes center stage. Companies no longer want to send confidential data to massive cloud models, which is why 2026 focuses on on-device AI and private AI frameworks. Apple introduced private cloud compute to keep sensitive processing secure. Google launched Gemini Nano on Pixel devices, enabling transcription, summarization, and smart replies directly on the phone. Microsoft released AI PCs with dedicated neural chips. Governments, banks, and healthcare institutions are already building sovereign AI models inside controlled environments. Running AI locally reduces risk, increases speed, and ensures confidentiality. If 2025 was about what AI can do, 2026 is about where AI can safely run. Third, AI steps into the physical world. Robots are no longer programmed line by line. They learn through observation. Figure AI trains humanoid robots with data from OpenAI models. Tesla's Optimus demonstrated object sorting and laundry folding using visual intelligence. Agility Robotics has bipedal warehouse robots now being tested in US operations. NVIDIA introduced an AI system enabling robots to learn human skills in simulation before attempting them in reality. Hospitals in Japan and the United States use robots to deliver supplies. Cities are experimenting with AI-powered traffic systems that adjust lights based on real-time congestion. AI is no longer just on your screen. It's stepping into your home, workplace, and the physical world around you. Fourth, synthetic data fixes the biggest data problems. Real-world data is often private, limited, or biased. Synthetic data, statistically accurate but fake, solves these issues. Google and NVIDIA train self-driving systems in simulated cities. Medical researchers build synthetic patient records that protect privacy while accelerating model training. Cybersecurity teams simulate thousands of attack scenarios. Banks generate synthetic financial data to pressure test fraud models. By 2026, synthetic data becomes one of the most important breakthroughs for safer, faster AI development. Fifth, AI becomes explainable. The black box era is ending. Industries like medicine, law, and banking require clear reasoning behind decisions. Europe, the US, and Asia are implementing transparency and audit requirements for high-risk AI. The EU AI Act mandates labeling, risk assessments, and compliance logs. Google VEO and OpenAI Sora already embed invisible watermarking. Banks are testing models that clearly explain loan approvals. Hospitals prefer diagnostic systems that show supporting evidence. When AI can explain itself, trust increases, and that trust unlocks its use in mission-critical environments. Then comes the hardware revolution. AI used to depend on massive cloud GPUs. Now, neuromorphic chips mimic human neurons. Optical computing performs computations with light. Governments and universities. TIEs are building AI supercomputers for breakthroughs in science, weather, and protein modeling. Phones and laptops now include neural processors that run AI models locally and cheaply. Faster, greener, and more powerful hardware means AI doesn't need giant data centers. It can run anywhere. Generative AI expands beyond entertainment. Yes, it can create images, videos, music, and 3D worlds, but now it enters science, healthcare, industrial design, filmmaking, and education. Researchers use generative AI to invent new proteins and simulate drug candidates. Production companies use Sora and similar tools to create scenes and storyboards. Game developers instantly generate environments and dialogue from text. Schools experiment with adaptive AI tutors. Smart glasses interpret objects, translate languages, and summarize anything you see. Generative AI is becoming a real tool, not just a cool demo. Energy-efficient AI becomes a top priority. Large models consume massive electricity. Data center power consumption could explode by the end of the decade. Companies are improving cooling systems, building low-energy chips, and exploring alternative power sources. Rolls-Royce is developing small nuclear reactors to power high-demand computing clusters. Sustainability becomes part of the AI conversation, not an afterthought. Cheaper, faster AI reshapes the economy. Running AI models used to require expensive servers. Today, optimized models and hardware efficiencies reduce those costs dramatically. Small businesses, schools, startups, and creators can automate tasks once reserved for large companies. Scheduling, customer support, data management, product design, and workflow automation become accessible to everyone. AI isn't just powerful, it's affordable. And when technology becomes cheaper, entire economies shift. The leap from 2025 to 2026 isn't about hype, it's about function. AI is moving from content creation into autonomy. Jobs won't vanish, but they will evolve. Humans set goals. AI executes the repetitive tasks. Robotics addresses labor shortages. Schools experiment with personalized learning. Hospitals improve efficiency. Smart homes and cities adjust themselves in real time. The future isn't AI replacing humans, it's AI working for humans. Before the outro, here's the hard sell for those who want to build real income in this AI-driven world. If you've ever thought about starting a faceless YouTube channel, the kind that earns while you sleep, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr is the most complete system available. It shows you how to pick niches, script videos, outsource editing, grow faster, and scale to real passive income. Thousands of creators are using these strategies right now. If you want the blueprint to succeed in YouTube's new AI era, the link is below this video. Thank you for watching. If this video sparked new ideas about business and the future of AI, drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're ready for smarter business and faster success, hit that subscribe button. This is BizWiz, where the future of business becomes your advantage. Watch the next recommended video on your screen now, and I'll see you there.